New to our lineup is this 2009 Pontiac G8 V6. It's an 09 with 155,000 miles and extremely clean and ready to go. No imperfections in the paint, no imperfection in the wheels. And the most common color you can find in this vehicle, and that's in showroom ready red. So again, this is the V6, this is the interior. Have a look there. Classy sunroof. She's clean and ready to go. Back seats. This car is going to offer a V6 with 256 horsepower. That's going to be the strongest V6 on the road, I believe. It comes with free satellite radio for 3 months. Also, we're going to provide a free warranty for 3 months, 3,000 miles on the powertrain. And that's only here at Personalized Auto. We're located at 6102 Merriam Drive in Merriam, Kansas. Extremely safe. It's going to have a 4-star crash test. We can get this baby open. There we go. See what we're looking at underneath. ABS brakes. Car's never been taken apart. No painting, no fixing, no anything. And look, she's ready to go. So come on down and ask to drive this baby. We'll be happy to meet you when you come down and ask for James. Again, 6102 Merriam Drive here in Merriam, Kansas. You can reach us by phone at 913-766-3225. And we look to see you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Ooh.